Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss about methods to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. There are two methods in our syllabus. The first one is Lucas test. Lucas reagent is a mixture of corn HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. So Lucas reagent means is nothing but a mixture of corn HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. When alcohols treated with this Lucas reagent, tertiary alcohol reacts immediately and secondary alcohol take 10 minutes to form turbidity and primary alcohol do not react with room temperature. So this is tertiary alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. When it is treated with Lucas reagent, that is a mixture of corn HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride. This is Lucas reagent. When it is react with this tertiary alcohol, and we will be getting two chloro 2-methyl propane. Here the reaction takes place immediately, so immediate appearance of turbidity. Secondary alcohol, that is propane 2-ol, CH3 CH name of this compound is propane 2-ol. When this propane 2-ol react with Lucas reagent, that is mixture of corn HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, that is zinc chloride, we will be getting 2 chloro propane. Here their reaction takes place within 10 minutes. Slow appearance of turbidity. Primary alcohol, that is CH3 CH2 OH. Primary alcohol, when it is treated with the Lucas reagent, here no reactions takes place at room temperature. So no reaction at room temperature. No reaction at room temperature. Turbidity appears only on heating. So from this experiment we can differentiate the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. I repeat once again. When tertiary alcohol treated with this Lucas reagent, that is concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride, turbidity takes place immediately. When secondary alcohol is reacted with this Lucas reagent, The reaction takes place within 10 seconds, so slow appearance of turbidity. Primary alcohol treated with this mixture, that is Lucas reagent, there is no reaction at room temperature, only reaction takes place on heating. Thank you. Another method to differentiate the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol is Victor-Meyer test. This test is based on the behavior of different nitroalkanes formed by three types of alcohol with nitrous acid. And this test consists of three steps. The first one is alcohols converted into alkyl iodide. This is the first step. Alcohols are converted into alkyl iodide by iodine. And second step is this alkyl iodide react with AgNO2 and form nitroalkane. The second step. And third one is this nitroalkane react with the nitrous acid HNO2, and then the resultant solution is react with the KOH. That solution, then it is react with the KOH. That means the solution is made alkaline with the KOH. By observing the solution, we can conclude the alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. The red color solution is formed. The solution is red color, then that is primary alcohol. Blue solution is formed. The observed solution is blue color, means then it belongs to secondary alcohol. There is no coloration obtained, then it is tertiary alcohol. I repeat once again, the observed solution is red color primary alcohol, blue color means secondary alcohol. There is no coloration in the solution, means that is belongs to tertiary alcohol. Let's see the reactions. Primary alcohol, name of this compound is ethanol. This ethanol is treated with iodine. We will be getting iodoethane, that is CH3CH2I. Now this iodoethane is treated with AgNO2 and we will be getting nitroethane, that is CH3CH2NO2. Name of the compound is nitroethane. Now this nitroethane is treated with nitrous acid, that is HNO2. This can be written as HONO and we will be getting CH3 C double bond N NO2 and here OH. Now this solution is made alkaline with KOH. This solution is made alkaline with the KOH and we will be getting CH3 C double bond N OK NO2. Now the color observed here, it is red color. So this is belongs to primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, name of this compound is propane 2-ol. Now this treated with iodine and phosphorus, and we will be getting iodo-propane, that is 2-iodo-propane, that is CH3 CH CH3, and this OH group is removed and here iodine is added, so 2-iodo-propane. Now this 2-iodo-propane is treated with AgNO2 and we will be getting CH3 CH CH3 NO2. The name of this compound is 2-nitropropane. This iodine is replaced by the NO2 group, 2-nitropropane. Now this 2-nitropropane is treated with nitrous acid HONO, nitrous acid, and we will be getting CH3 CNO2 CH3 and here NO. Name of the compound is 2-nitrosopropane. 2-nitrosopropane. Now this solution is made alkaline with KOH. When it is treated with the KOH, blue color solution will be obtained. When this solution is alkaline with the KOH, blue solution is obtained. From this we can understand this is belongs to secondary alcohol. The third one is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol, name of this compound is 2-methylpropane 2-ol. When this treated with iodine, and we will be getting CH3 CH3 that OH is replaced by iodine, so name of this compound is 2-iodo 2-methylpropane. Now this compound 2-iodo 2-methylpropane is treated with AgNO2 and this iodine is replaced by NO2 group and we will be getting CH3 CH3 this NO2 group, nitro group. Iodine is replaced by NO2 and the name of the compound is 2-nitropropane. 2-nitropropane. Now this is treated with nitrous acid HONO and followed by treated with KOH. No coloration with KOH, so this compound belongs to the tertiary alcohol. So primary alcohol gives red color, secondary alcohol gives blue color, and tertiary alcohol no coloration with KOH. So these are the two methods to differentiate the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Thank you.